Hi, my name is Senora Bankston, and I am your Spanish 1 teacher this year at James Clemens. First thing I'd like to say is how excited, yes, excited I am to start this new year. It's going to be new. It's going to be different. It's going to be challenging. But we're going to rise to the occasion because that's what we do here. This is my 7th year at James Clemens, and in that time I have taught levels Spanish 1 through AP Spanish 5. What that means is that I know what it takes each step of the way to make sure that you are prepared and confident and you get everything that you need so that you are ready on year 5 to take that AP class, to take that AP test and kill it. That is my goal. And I hope that becomes a goal for you. What does that also mean is that this course, you are going to be learning a language. That is my expectation. That is my goal. That is my purpose, is for you to learn the language. That means we'll be reading, writing, speaking, and listening in Spanish every day. I want you to understand the language. I want you to understand the culture, the people, and I just wanted to bring you so much joy that at one point you just love it as much as I do. That's the goal anyway, okay? What that also means is that following ACTFL guidelines, ACTFL ACTFL guidelines, the class is held at least 90% in Spanish. That means I will be speaking Spanish every day, where lessons will be in Spanish, both spoken and written. That means I expect you to use Spanish as much as possible. That is how you learn, okay? So if you want to be successful, that means that you have to be engaged. It means that you have to be present. You have to participate. You do all those things and you will be successful. You will. If you've ever heard the saying, a closed mouth don't get fed, a closed mind won't get fed either. Be open to the process. Realize that you've got this. And if you need any help along the way, I'm here because I want you to succeed, okay? What that also means is that you need to make sure that you are organized and ready and prepared when it comes to getting to your chair or your computer, wherever you're getting the lessons. Make sure that you are getting to the habit of having everything ready when you get there. You should have a binder just for this class so that you can still have all your notes and everything there. If you can make a folder on your computer, make it just for this class so that you can keep everything that you need in order for it, whether it is your notes, your activities, or your videos that you will be making because you will be speaking in Spanish, even in a virtual environment, okay? What else? I just want you to know how much I am passionate about teaching my class, whatever situation that we may be in, okay? I still expect the most out of myself. I still expect the most out of my students. And I still expect greatness. There will still be greatness. Just a lot of grace along the way. See you soon. Adios.